Good day to you. My name is Hatem Boulifa, and today I'd like to share my experience with you on how we can create a style or multipad for PSR A3000 using an audio loop prepared with recycled software and then import it into Yamaha Expansion Manager. First of all, let me tell you about the software I mentioned. Starting with Recycle. It's a program by Propelhead Software, designed especially for working with sampled loops. By slicing a loop and making separate samples of each beat, and that way we can easily change the tempo. Let's start from the first example, and hear this loop. We start by opening the loop with Recycle software. We select the number of bars. For this example, 4. We notice that Recycle gives us automatically the speed of the loop. We start dividing the wave into parts using this button. The higher the value, the more parts we get. We choose the correct value depending on our loop. We can divide it manually using the pen tool and draw a line in the right place. We can hear this result when we accelerate or slow down the tempo using this button. We save it, and we finally get a Rex file. In My Pack section, we create a new PPF, and we call it, for example, Audio Loops, and we load the first Rex into it. First method, press the button plus, then select Import Content, and look for the Rex. The second method, we choose the Rex file, then we drag it into the bottom window. Yamaha Expansion Manager automatically converts the Rex into several elements. Drum voice. The sound is used by Yamaha Expansion Manager to create a style composed of one section, Section A, and it will have audio loop in channel 10, as well as a multipad with a single memory using the same drum voice. Normal voice. This sound is used by Yamaha Expansion Manager to create a rhythm consisting of one section, Section A, including an audio loop programmed automatically in channel 15. And finally, multipad will be using the normal voice. Let's create a PPI containing all the elements so that it becomes clearer using the keyboard. After loading the PPI into the keyboard, we find two types of styles. The first uses the loop as drum voice and automatically puts it in channel 10 in Section A. The second uses the loops as normal voice and puts it automatically in channel 15 in Section A. Let's listen to both styles. Note that we can accelerate or slow down the style within a reasonable extent without any problem. If we want to use this style standalone, we complete programming the empty channels using Style Creator. If we want to add this loop to a program style, we use the assembly function in the Style Creator, which is explained in another video. We start with the program style, for example, Emirati 2. Note that channel 16 is empty, so we will use it to add a loop to this style without clearing channel 9 or 10. We will use a normal voice rather than drum voice. We go to Style Creator, then Assembly. We select the section where we want to add the loop, example Section C. We select the channel in which we want to place the loop, channel 16, and we confirm. Then we choose the style created from the normal voice. It includes normal in its name. We make sure of the section, which is Section A, and the channel, which is channel 15. Then we listen. Here we kept channel 9 and 10 for drums, and we added another channel for drums also, that is channel 16. In the case that we have more multiple loops and we want to create a single style containing all of them, it will be a similar process. Let's take an example where we have 4 loops as waves. We want to program each of them in a different section within the same style, section A, B, C, and D. We start by changing the 4 loops from the wave format to the Rex format. We import the 4 Rex files into Yamaha Expansion Manager. We use the styles made of drum voice, meaning the ones of which the name doesn't include the word normal. We clear all other data for more clarity. We create a PPI and install it on the keyboard. As it appears, we have 4 styles, each containing one section, section A, and this section is composed of one channel, that is channel 10, where the loop is located. Using the assembly function, we can mix the 4 styles into one and divide them to different sections, as explained in another video. Finally, we get this result. You can also use the audio loop as multipad. We select it via the multipad page, then expansion page, so the loop is consistent with the speed of the style. For example, thanks for watching and goodbye.